everyone, welcome back to Mommy Shelly's kitchen. Today we are going to cook a shrimp scampi. Okay, so what do we have here? We have cooked noodles already, and then we have fresh shrimp, Thai chili. We have lemon. We also have fresh parsley, cut up parsley right here. We have butter. In this recipe we cannot get rid of butter. We'll mix it with olive oil. Then we have our pepper, this wine right here. We have our cornstarch. We have garlic. So we have the peeled shell in here from our fresh shrimp. I would like to keep this one. I got rid of the head. But I'm keeping the shell in here, including the tail, because that would give us a really nice flavor, shrimp flavor later. We're gonna make a stock out from this one. We'll start by cooking our stock first. This guy right here. Okay, so we are now ready to make our stock, our shrimp stock. So I just have a little water in there. Boil for like maybe 4 to 6 minutes. Yeah, that would be enough. Okay, so while waiting for this, we're gonna prep our shrimp. Okay, so now we're going to marinate our shrimp. So we have our lemon in here. Let's marinate it. And I always remember, if I don't use MSG, I use this brown sugar instead. So I'm gonna put that in there. Put some pepper, and then we have our salt. Okay. So our stock is ready to go. So I'm gonna just strain it to separate the liquid and the shrimp shell. And so we are ready to saute our shrimp. So I'm gonna add this extra virgin oil. Here we go. Yeah, when you're doing shrimp scampi, it has something to do with garlic and the oil flavor. Now we're gonna add butter. My goodness, look at that. Garlic flavor. More garlic. It smells already. Who does not like the smell of garlic? I forgot the onions. I would like to add onions in here. I just like the taste of it. So you can add onions. It's up to you if you don't want the onions. If you want just the garlic, go ahead, you can do that one. Okay. Shallot is already a little bit caramelized. I like that taste. And now for our spicy flavor. Remember the Thai chili? I cut it up and I wanted to get that down here so we can get the flavor. Okay, it's gonna be spicy. The aroma of all the things I put in here, the infused spices in here. Okay, so we're gonna add our shrimp. We have our shrimp almost ready. Again, we want our shrimp to be really soft. Okay, that's really looking good. I would like to take this out because I don't want it overcooked, and then we are going to cook the sauce. Remember, we made our shrimp stock earlier. We're going to make use of that one. Okay. So I kept the oil that was left from our shrimp, sauteing the shrimp, because we've got good flavor in here. Now I'm gonna add the wine. Oh. We'll reduce it, and then we're gonna add our shrimp stock that we made earlier. So we'll just simply add that one. All right. So we're gonna just let it simmer. And now we're going to add our cornstarch to thicken our sauce. Okay, looks good. You see now that it's thickened, we can add our shrimp. And here we go. Oh, I'm loving the smell in here. Oh yes. And I want to get rid of that. I want to make sure that I don't waste the flavor, so I'm going to put a little water and put it back in here. Shrimp, so we're going to add it. I don't want to waste any flavor at all, because that tastes really good. And now we need to add our Loris seasoned salt. No MSG in it. Of course, if you want, you can always put your seasoning, Nor cubes or whatever. Okay. Now we're gonna add our cooked noodles, spaghetti noodles. I cook it ahead of time. I think I cooked a lot. I might just put half of this. So you know, I didn't show the cooking of this because it's very simple, right? You boil the water, you add salt, and for the flavor you add salt, and then you put a little bit of oil so it won't stick. You know, when everything infuses in your food, like all the ingredients, that makes it even tastier. And you can also smell it. As soon as you put in the parsley in there, you can smell. Now we are going to put it into our plate. I'm ready to put it into our plate. Remember, this is the fun part of it. I love doing this. You know, it makes you more creative when you try to arrange things in your plate. You know, and this shelter in place doesn't mean we cannot go to the restaurant. We cannot do something fun at home, right? This is the very reason why I'm doing this, because of the shelter in place. After we put our noodles in here, I'm going to separate this. This would be our shrimp in here. Like that. And here we go. Okay. So again, I'm gonna go all the way. I'm going to change the name instead of a shrimp scampi because I have to put some more on it. So I'm gonna name it now as shrimp scampi alla bella. So there's that infusion between Italian and Asian cuisine. Okay, so we're going to tap it with our garnish, rather, with our fresh parsley. Okay, these are the extra parsley I cut up earlier. We put some already, so we can already taste that in. And then I decided to put some green onions on top. Okay, all right, and I'm gonna go all the way. Aside from that, since there's that Asian infusion in here, I'm gonna add rice seasoning. There's some seaweed in there, and there's sesame seeds, so we'll add that one. So sesame seed in here. That's gonna be looking great. Oh, this is fantastic. Okay, all right. And now we're not done. We still have to add more. Remember, this is no longer shrimp scampi. It's going to be shrimp scampi alla bella. Some lemons on the side, because sometimes, you know, with the shrimp, we want to kind of squeeze some lemon on top. That would give even more flavor. I think I'm gonna just add some more in here because we have this 4 on each side. And I have here seaweed. It's good for you, rich in iodine. So we're gonna put it on the other side. That's what I'm talking about. Once they eat this one, they want more, so they want seconds, okay? All right, so if you have a little party, or not just party, even at home, you haven't been to a restaurant for a long time since shelter in place. So that's why I decided to do some cooking. Since I miss the restaurant, dining out, as if like I'm dining, not out, dining in, here at home. Okay, I hope you're going to give this a thumbs up if you like it, so we can make more next time. And happy cooking, everyone. I'll see you next time.